All right, so I'm just going to take this opportunity to show off this Zoomin scheduler software. This is a software that aims to allow students to schedule courses for upcoming school semesters at Grove City College. So the very first feature we're going to show off here is the minor requirements section. So if you click on the minor requirements, you'll be able to then select this drop down, which is very tall because there's a lot of options. But basically, let's say you wanted to minor in Spanish. It'll tell you right here in this text, what information you'll need or what classes you'll need to take and, credit hours that you need. So you can go back home by clicking this, the Grove City College logo. Obviously, your cursor turns to a pointer to indicate that. Um, on top of that, you can see here, let's actually just make this window bigger, might as well. There we go. Okay, so you can actually see we can then just go and create a schedule. So if we go in here, we'll do fall of 2018. So if that was the year that the semester you were going into, you can see here we have this list of courses. So if you want to, you could just look through, and try to find a course that you're trying to take. Let's start with this Principles of Accounting course that starts at 1 o'clock and goes to 1:50. The time is obviously in 24-hour time here. You can choose to search by course code, course name, or professor. So say we wanted a course with maybe Dr. Valentine, we'll do that. Maybe you want to take a course from 12 to 12:50, and we'll add that one. Now that we've done that, we can go and click on View Schedule. You can see here now this is our schedule view. This lists class in the order that they occur. So obviously 1 and then, or 12 o'clock and then 1 o'clock. It also obviously lists the days that they're on, number of credit hours that you have. You can choose to delete, go back and continue editing, or save your schedule. So let's go back and continue editing and get some more credit hours. Now let's say maybe we want to add a course that I'm already taking, which is this, which is that course. So we can hit add, and that will allow me to, let's see, if we try to add this course, which is the same course, Principles of Accounting, it'll give you a warning. It says the course has already been added, since you obviously shouldn't be able to take courses you're already taking. So it then won't let you add it. Let's add a couple more courses. Let's add one that goes 10 to 11, and we'll find one more that starts earlier in the day, 9 to 9:50. That works great. Now if we go view our schedule, you'll see that we have 13 credit hours, which is past what we're looking for. You can also see that the online only classes get placed on Wednesday because they have to be displayed somewhere. So we just show them on Wednesday and it says online only. If we go back and we remove one of these courses, if you try to save the schedule, it'll say you don't have the required amount of hours. Are you sure? And we're going to say no. We'll go back and we'll add a course again. We'll add this Principles of Accounting. And now we do have that 13 credit hours, so we'll save. You can enter a name for your schedule, and we'll say new, and we'll just hit that. And you can see right here, there is that file right here. If you click on that, it will open that schedule right up to here, and you can go back, resume editing. You can see here that you can remove them, but let's go back home. You can also hit continue with current, which will just have whatever your most recently open schedule is. The last thing that I want to show off here is the recommended schedule. So basically what this will do is maybe you already know like those minor requirements that you have. You could add courses. So we'll do comp 144. Let's say that was the only course that I want, and then hit enter or enter. And we don't need any times, but we'll say that I don't want an 8 a.m. Oh, I should do fall because that's when comp 144 is. So we'll hit submit, and then it'll create a schedule that as long as 144 is available, it appears that 144 wasn't available during that semester, so it just gave me other courses, and that uses an algorithm to select the courses that it wants to add, and it just slaps those on your schedule. Let's say you want to delete, let's say we have a saved schedule. We'll say this is bad. We can open up bad, and we can just hit delete schedule, hit yes, and it is removed from the list and it is deleted from your system. So that is our course scheduler. I hope you've enjoyed checking this out, and